Hello, folks. I am Jack Commersmith coming to you all today with another product update that I'm quite excited about. Now, before I just jump right into the demo, though, let me set the stage a little bit and give you all some historical context around this. So, over the past few quarters, the Commerce Hub team here at HubSpot has been investing quite a bit in our billing platform. We've always been able to process one time payments. We've also always been able to process recurring payments as well. So, for example, run the card for $100 on the first of every month, ACH2 if you'd like, as well as other local payment methods. For those recurring payments, subscriptions will be created. I'll also add we've been investing in milestone payments or payment schedules. So if you want to create a quote and do things like take 50% for a deposit, 25% halfway through the project, and 25% at the end, you can do that as well. The one thing, though, that I've been receiving feedback on for quite some time now is the whole concept of creating a subscription, but not automatically charging that payment method, and also being able to create a subscription without actually collecting that payment first, the way that it currently works on our payment links in our quotes tool. So, folks, if you have not self-ungated, right now, what you'll see is when you click on create subscription, is we'll take you directly to that payment link editor to create that link to then send to your buyer so that when it's paid, the subscription would be created. Right now in public beta, so if you're not seeing this, go ahead and just click on product updates and ungate yourself. Or if you wanted to wait until general availability, give us just a couple more days because we are very close. What you'll see now when you click on create subscription is both the ability to create a link to automatically charge that subscription, but also to automatically send recurring invoices to customers as well. So the automatic creation and distribution of those invoices. It's a new feature I'm very excited about, and let me show you exactly what it looks like. Of course, there are a number of different ways that you can create a given subscription. I'm showing you all from the index page right now just to keep things easy. I'll also call out the fact that, as I'm sure many of you all know, we just released a massive refresh of our QuickBooks integration. So if you are integrated with QuickBooks and you wanted all of these invoices to seamlessly sync over to QuickBooks, do make sure that you're adding the billing contact within HubSpot so that we can sync all of those to the correct customer within QuickBooks. When it comes to the rest of this, what you all will see are similar inputs. As you'll notice on our quote and our payment link editor, you'll have different billing frequency options. You can do a fixed number of payments. So if you wanted to do monthly for 12 months, it couldn't be easier to do so. I'll also call out, you'll have things like net 7. If you wanted to key in net 30, you could do so too. Let me go ahead and create this subscription. And what you all will notice is now that subscription is created and marked as active, independent of having that payment process in the first place. What you'll also notice are there are no completed payments yet with this subscription. That's because that invoice was literally just sent to Mr. Malone. You'll also see another invoice will be going out on the 28th of September. And of course, you'll see all of the associations that you'll expect to see, including this invoice, which looks like it's still in a draft state as this is very much a live demo. I imagine you'll see it in an open state right now here, as you do. Now, let's say I wanted to upgrade $100 per month to $200 per month. We still have the same subscription management functionalities. Click into edit subscription right here, and you can go ahead and prorate. You can change this to just 200, click on save right beneath my face right here, and then call it a day. The last thing that I want to mention, let's say Kevin does not pay this invoice on time. What will happen in that case? The subscription status will be changed from active to unpaid. And of course, the invoice will remain as open with that due date being before today in this case. That information isn't just surfaced within the app, folks. You can use that information to hopefully really improve your team's operations. So for example, if you wanted to run automation around all of your unpaid subscriptions, go for it. If you wanted to create a workflow that says we want to resend an invoice to everyone who has an invoice that is due before today and the status is still open, essentially an overdue invoice, create an invoice-based workflow and let our automation tools do the rest of the work for you. So folks, our subscription functionality is becoming even more powerful. We're really continuing to invest in our billing platform. I'm super excited about this functionality. I hope you all are too. And I'm super excited to hear what you think about it as well. Go ahead and drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks, folks.